Hello everyone, let's prepare Vankaya Fry with less oil and Indian spices. During festival season, you can exclude garlic and onions as well. First, cut 2 large aubergines or Vankaya into little cubes. Transfer them to a basin with salted water and set aside. By doing this, aubergine stays fresh. At this point, separately cook each spice and put it in a blender. Fry 1 tablespoon of each of the split lentil and urad dal or desiccated black gram. Transfer them to a blender once they have reached a light brown color. Now fry 1 tablespoon each of cumin, coriander and 1 teaspoon of each fennel seeds and fenugreek seeds. After finishing, move them to the jar. Fry 3 tablespoons of peanuts. When they are properly fried, transfer them to the jar. Cook 5 curry leaves after that and then cook 1 minced garlic clove. When they are properly cooked, move them into a jar. Now add 8 tablespoons of shredded wet coconut. Fry well. In the meantime, grind the spices and pour the powder into a bowl. Teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of each salt and red chili powder. When you blend it well, you can see little coconut grains. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil to the same curry pan and add finely chopped 1 medium-sized onion. Cook till it turns into a light brown. To the curry pan, add the diced aubergine or Vankaya. Cook through to 80%. Next, transfer it to a bowl. Now add the spice combination to the pan with 1 tablespoon of oil. Fry well for up to 10 minutes over a medium heat. It releases a pleasant scent once it is cooked. Add the fried aubergine or Vankaya at this point. Well, without pressing, stir as though you were sprinkling it on. Finally, top with chopped coriander and serve for lunch or supper. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel.